Get ready to experience the new journey of movement. A travel with maximum comfort. The flexibility of face-to-face communication. And all the life-expanding moments. The freedom of space and the ability to comfortably position yourself just how you want. It's almost like a dream, a beautiful dream. It's an entirely different era of mobility. One that gives you the unlimited possibilities of space. Wow, and a whole new level of freedom that you've never had before. The spaceship-like mode of transportation is as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. It turns ordinary driving into extraordinary travel that's unlike anything else before it. So, get ready. Because STARIA is about to change your future of movement. Meet our heroine, who leads a busy life, an occasional runner who also happens to be running late, supermom of all supermoms, short order cook. Oh, and did I mention she's a CEO too? Good thing she has her STARIA Premium, which can magically open its doors without a single touch. Look at her, hopping in with total ease and completely unfazed. You see, this is why she's a CEO. Even when she has to work while on the go, she's still able to take in the beautiful views through the wide, panoramic windows. Now, isn't that nice? No matter what kind of hectic sort of day she has here, and here, and here, and yeah, you guessed it, here too. The moment she steps her foot inside the STARIA Premium, all that stress melts away. With just one touch, making it easy to rest while on the move. So, go ahead and enjoy a power nap while you can, and let that premium class ride air cleaning mode that keeps the air pure and fresh. Look at that, she's fast asleep. But duty calls. Now, let's find out who this friendly-looking group is, shall we? Who do we have here? Looks like a seriously influential crew of creators. It may look like they're just hanging out, but they're actually having a lively brainstorming session, turning that STARIA Premium into a trending creator studio on wheels. And being able to swivel around at 180 degrees with ease makes it perfect for their face-to-face meetings. Finally, we have arrived. Setting that parking brake has never been smoother or safer. And do you see those long dresses never touch the floor? Guess it's time for me to sit back and watch these young ones work their fashion wizardry. Need another spot for the shoot? Just push those seats all the way forward. This crew sure knows how to roll, and thanks to STARIA Premium, it's super easy to bring their creative ideas into the real world. Look at that. It even has a tailgate that closes itself when you walk away. Now that is pretty awesome. Almost as awesome as this bunch, who could pose, strut, picture perfect, and has all the right moves. Hey, I think that rear light just waved at me. With such a long drive home, why don't you let STARIA Premium help it for you? It will keep their whole crew safe and sound. And while some of them plug into the USB ports and get right back to work on their tablets and laptops, others catch up on some Z's. Wait, what's this? Already getting rave reviews and social media love? Hashtag nailed it. Today couldn't have gone any better. Is this who we have to thank for the thumbs up? Looks like this little lady and her whole family is headed somewhere fun. Good thing they've got the STARIA, which has plenty of room and plenty of gorgeous styling and design. Buckle up, everyone. They're about to head into the wild to catch tonight's meteor shower. Now, don't be so impatient. You're getting close, so close for that meteor shower. Fortunately, finding the perfect route is easy thanks to the wide, superior visibility. Here's our spot. They can avoid obstacles with the surround view. The STARIA even turns into a cozy place for the whole family. Uh-oh, time to hurry back inside. Well, sometimes the best things in life are unexpected, right? They do have a good view of the storm out the window. But let's not forget about the meteor shower. The storm has passed, and this is the moment they've been waiting for. Let's try this again, shall we? Now, this is more like it. Totally worth waiting decades for this beautiful moment. Let's review. The STARIA comes loaded with as many possibilities as your life, so you'll never have to stop conferencing, creating, and posting on the move, or living life on the go. After all, life is constantly in flux. So you need a vehicle that gives you the freedom to adapt to it. I know this felt like the ending, but wait, there's more. Now just sit back, relax, and enjoy the new era of movement. To a new dimension of space with the endless possibilities that shine like the countless stars. Step into the space. STARIA. Just a sneak peek on what's next. Starting with the STARIA fuel cell. STARIA will provide us a smart mobility solution. And that will move us one step closer to the future. There's no telling what we'll dream of next. So, watch out, world. Here we come.